Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all cat owners out there, especially those with kittens: finding the best food for healthy weight gain. And guess what? We've uncovered a gem: Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe with Real Chicken Natural Dry Cat Food. That's right, folks. This isn't just any cat food, it's the best kitten food for weight gain you can find. Packed with premium ingredients and crafted with care, Instinct Original is setting a new standard in feline nutrition. But before we dive deeper, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest reviews. So, what makes Instinct Original the top choice for kitten weight gain? Let's break it down. First off, this formula is rich in protein, a vital component for healthy growth in kittens. With real chicken as the main source of protein, you can trust that your little furball is getting the nutrients they need to thrive. But it doesn't stop there. Instinct Original is grain-free and made with responsibly sourced ingredients, meaning no fillers or artificial additives. It's formulated to support digestive health, skin and coat health, and overall immune function, all essential factors for a growing kitten. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who've seen the benefits of Instinct Original firsthand. Sophia says, "The formula is rich in protein and contains no animal byproducts or artificial additives. After switching to Instinct Original, my cat's coats were significantly softer, shinier, and healthier." And GK5040 raves, "Sake the Siamese loves this food. With a protein content of 41% and wholesome ingredients, it's no wonder why." Now that you've seen the rave reviews, you might be wondering how to introduce Instinct Original to your kitten. Well, fear not. Transitioning to this top-notch cat food is easy. Simply follow the gradual transition process over 5 to 7 days, mixing increasing amounts of Instinct with your kitten's current food. And remember, always provide access to clean, fresh water to keep your little one hydrated. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for kitten weight gain: Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe with Real Chicken Natural Dry Cat Food. With its high-quality ingredients, balanced nutrition, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's clear why this is the best choice for your furry friend. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts, and until next time, happy feeding.